Student, in our last class, we have started our chapter 3, input and output devices. I hope you all have understood that much. Let's do a fast recap. A human body is made up of different parts, correct? Look at this, different parts. Each part has a special work to do. In the same way, a computer is made up of different parts. All these parts together make a computer work. The parts of computer are divided into three main categories: input device, output device and storage device. In our last class, we have already learned that a computer follows instructions to do work. But have you thought how a computer works on data and instructions? A computer follows three basic steps to work: input, process and output. I hope you remember all that. The data and instructions which we are giving to computer are called inputs. Remember, I have given you example of 2, 6 and plus symbol. Then we have also seen a computer accepts, examine or calculate the result. That process is known as processing. Okay, then the result given by the computer after processing is called output. Remember that when you do 2 plus 6, the result will appear as 8. So that 8 is your output, 2 and 6, the plus symbol is your input, and the time when you are calculating, that time it's processing. Remember, I have given you example of sharpening a pencil, making mango shake, washing dirty clothes, coloring your drawing. Remember all that? Good. I know you all would have remembered. Now, in the same way, a computer takes input to do work. We enter inputs through input devices. Getting me? In a computer, we need to give instructions to do work. We enter the inputs through input device. Whatever command, instructions we want a computer to do it, those things we need to enter through input device. So today, first we will learn about what are the input device. Okay? Now, the devices which are used to enter data into a computer are called input device. The devices which are used to enter data, those devices which help us to enter the data into a computer are called input devices. Okay? Some of the common input devices are as follows: our keyboard, mouse, microphone. All these are the basic common input devices. We will go through one by one. Okay? This is your keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. Can you see all this? All this is your keys. Okay? The small buttons, all these are your keys. A keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. A keyboard is used for typing letters, words, numbers and special symbols. Can you see? For writing words, for writing letters, numbers and symbols. You can write letters, words, numbers and all these are your symbols. Can you see all these symbols? So, a keyboard we use for typing all these things. Okay? A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Okay? A standard keyboard, it means a basic keyboard. A normal keyboard will have 104 keys. Okay? Now let's see what else we have as an input device. A mouse. A computer mouse has 2 buttons on it. I know you already know in class 1 we have learned our computer mouse has 2 buttons and this middle one is your Scroll wheel, remember that? It is used to point, move and select any item on the computer screen or monitor. See, it is used to move here and select anything. Okay? A mouse also helps us to draw pictures and play games. Correct? Now let's see what about microphone. This is your microphone. A microphone is used to record voice and different sound into a computer. Okay? Getting me? A microphone is used to record voice. When you are talking, you can record that. And all the different sounds into a computer. With the help of microphone, your voice can be recorded and you can send it into your computer. It also helps us to talk to our friends through internet. Clear this much? So today we have seen 3 input device: keyboard, mouse and microphone. Through keyboard you can enter letters, words, numbers or symbols. Whereas with mouse you can point, move, select any item on the computer screen. You can also draw pictures and play games. Clear? With the help of microphone you can talk to your friends or you can record your voice or different sounds into a computer. Clear? Now let's see output device. So now what is output device? Those devices which are used to display and give the final output. How we got result of 2 plus 6 equals to 8, that 8 you got it, that 8 where you can able to see? Over your monitor, correct? So that monitor is your output device. Clear? Where you will get your final output, that device is known as your output device. Getting me? So some of the most common output devices are described below. I will explain you. Okay? The first one is our monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. Correct? It's looking like your TV screen only now. It's looking like your TV. So your first output device is monitor. It shows the text typed in and the work done by us. Now see, if you are typing anything, that will be visible over here. See, you can see all this written one, all this with the help of computer only. Okay? So whatever you are typing, where we will type over keyboard. With the help of keyboard we will type. And where it will be visible? It will be visible, it will appear on your monitor screen. Okay? It also displays the results. Whatever result you will get it, that will come. Means if you are calculating anything, all that calculation will be done under CPU and the result will appear on your monitor. Clear? Now let's see the other output device. It's printer. See, this is your printer. Now what does a printer do? A printer is used to print the text or pictures on a paper. Correct? What a printer will do? A printer is used to print the text or picture on a paper. This is the paper. Okay? Over this paper, whatever work you are doing with the help of your keyboard, mouse, that you can able to print. Okay? So for that printer is used. It can be used to take both black and white or colored printout. With the help of printer, you can take a black and white picture also or a colored picture also. Can you see that? This one is your black and white and this one is your colored picture. Okay? So, if whenever you are taking that printer, this print whatever is coming, this is your printout. Okay? With the help of printer, if you are getting any prints, this is your printout. Okay? We will say that is your printout. So you can get a colored printout also or black and white also. The printed copy on a paper is called hard copy. Okay, that printout whatever you are getting, that is on a paper. That printed copy on a paper is called the hard copy, because you can touch it, so it's a hard copy. Now suppose if you are making a drawing on your computer and that picture is on monitor screen. If you are seeing it's on monitor, that time that over the monitor, that screen is your soft copy, whereas this copy is your hard copy because you can touch. Clear? Getting? Over monitor, if any picture is there, that is your soft copy, and if it is through printer, it's coming out, that printout is your hard copy. Clear? The commonly used printers are dot matrix, inkjet and laser. Okay? All these three kinds of, you have three different types of printer. You can use any of this as per your requirement. Now what else we have as our output device? We have already seen monitor and printer. Now the third one is speakers. Speakers allow us to listen to music and hear any sound stored on a computer. If anything is stored, any voice is recorded in your system, in your computer, you can able to listen it. Okay, with the help of speaker. Okay. Generally speakers are always come in a pair. If it is coming in two, so this is only pair. Okay. Now what else we have? We have headphone. The fourth one is your headphone. Now headphones are used to listen to sounds from a computer. Okay. The same way speaker also used for listening these sounds or song. But the difference between headphone and our speaker is, headphone are used to listen to sounds from a computer or a music player without disturbing others. The difference is, without disturbing others, you can listen the sound or music. Okay? Getting my point? Headphone consists of one speaker for each ear. Okay? And connected by a band over a head, over the head. Can you see this? This is your hands-free, you normally used to say. For your phone you will get it. Clear? So this is your headphone. We are left with storage device that I will take you in, that I will go through in our next class. Okay?